This is Rexa with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 14, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 1.01 point or 0.25% to 409.66. The total trade volume was down with 65,456 shares changed in hand at a total value of 379.9 million real or over $95,000. On the main board, not a single stock was up. The biggest loser of the day was Tech Cambodia, dropping 3.77% or 100 real to 2,550 real per share, followed by CamGSM dropping 0.40% or 10 real to 2,460 real per share. Meanwhile, the remaining 7 stocks on the board stay flat. Over the growth board, DBD Engineering was up 0.48% or 10 real to 2,080 real per share, while JSLand dropped 1.09% or 30 real to 2,720 real per share. Aklaida Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 43,267 shares changed in hand, at a total value of 303 million real or over $75,800, approximately 66% of the total trade volume on Friday. JQ Education recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 7,421 shares changed in hand at a total value of 14.6 million real or over $3,600, about 11% of the total trade volume on November 14. In other market news, most listed companies have now released their Q3 2025 financial report. DBD Engineering reported increase in revenue, operating profit, and net profit. The company recorded an over 596% increase in the construction revenue. CamGSM, meanwhile, reported a net profit increase of 1,620 million reals, representing a 39% rise compared to the same quarter in 2024, largely due to the reduction in the finance cost. JSLand reported a net loss despite higher revenue, with the operating profit falling by more than 72% and the net loss narrowing by over 395%. The company attributed the increase in the revenue to stronger marketing efforts, but said rising the financial cost has negatively affected a profit performance. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ reported lower profit in Q3 2025 as higher sales were offset by the significant drop in the operating profit. The decline was attributed to an unusual high other income in the same quarter last year from the disposal of an investment property. Meanwhile, Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority and Grand Twins International have postponed their release of the financial statement from November to December 2025. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Rial to US dollars was strengthened to 4,011 real per US dollars, while the US dollars index was down to 99.23. Looking at the global commodities, oil prices climbed about 1% on Friday, boosted by supply fears after Ukrainian drone attack hit an oil depot in the major Russian export hub, the Black Sea port of Novorossiysk. Brent crude futures rose 79 cents or 1.25% to $63.80 a barrel, while US Texas Intermediate crude advanced 82 cents or 1.38% to $59.50 a barrel. Both contracts jumped more than 2% in early Asia trading but then paired some gains. Brent has gained 0.28% on the week, while West Texas Intermediate has lost 0.38%. Gold price rose on Friday and were on the track for a weekly rise, supported by the weaker dollars as investors waited for more U.S. economic data to gauge the likelihood of December rate cuts after hawkish comment on the Federal Reserve officials. Spot gold was up 0.3% at $4,183.31 per ounce. Bullion is up 4.6% so far this week. US Gold futures for December delivery is 0.2% to $4,185.90 US per ounce. US stock futures stalled on Friday after Wall Street's sharpest sell-off in over a month, as investors jump out of tech amid ebbing faith in December interest rate cuts. As of the time Cambodia's market closing, futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures and the S&P 500 floated just below the flat line. Contract on the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 net down 0.1%. This was Reksa with your B2B Cambodia Market update for November 14.